Hey people, yes, I'm looking rough. I know. You got 2 videos last week, nothing on Friday, and now today's Monday. I still don't have one ready, but I have content on a boat trailer on an FRS on the dot. It's spring, so y'all to work season. All right, I will get content to you hopefully soon. Hopefully you have something Wednesday, but I'm just gonna throw a mix in here. Hope y'all see what I got going on, and please enjoy it. All right, because the boy busy. So yeah, have a good one. Hope y'all had a good Easter.
I hate trying to fucking weld.
No, not at all. Oh, oh!